Strawberries. Fairly easy to grow, and eating freshly picked strawberries is just the best. Unfortunately, we are not the only ones who think so. It isn't uncommon to walk out to harvest the just now ripe strawberries to find that someone else already has. Strawberries. These strawberries are not very tasty. Yes, these painted rocks fool birds, and they work so well that they won't be back for more. They will fly off to find something more flavorful. Go outside and gather rocks approximately strawberry shaped and sized. Use acrylic paint to color them red. And don't forget to add the spots. Place them near your strawberry bed or even directly with your strawberry plants. It is best to use this trick before your strawberries start to ripen to fool those local birds sooner than later. Just remember, they may look yummy, but they are rocks and don't eat them yourself. Happy harvesting!